Look at that. That's got a good range.
That's very English because of two bob.
Yeah.
This is a good shop.
Jamie Oliver kitchen.
Yeah, this is the
Oh,
rock
that's
shop.
Jamie Oliver's kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh,
At night, if you want, maybe next day, you can come here as well. This is Warung Senggol, means local food. Many kinds
that's
of
the like a market.
Yeah, yes.
Is it nice?
Nice. You can come if you don't mind.
So what does Warung mean again? Is that
With small cafe.
Small, yeah, that's
Yeah, small cafe or small
yeah,
market.
here's the Truntum. Our friends stay at the Truntum.
So, maybe drunk or something.
Yeah, the Truntum's nice. Very wide, isn't it?
At this time should be very nice sunset actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, just in time. Good timing. Good tour guide.
Beautiful sunset.
Best tour guide.
Yeah. Do you want to stop to see? No?
No.
We've
Alright.
seen two of them.
Okay.
See.
From the
We'll
roadside.
let you
Yeah.
get home to your wife.
Okay.
She'll be waiting for you, won't she? She'll be ringing
Yes,
you soon.
of course.
She'll be ringing you soon. Come on.
Yeah.
Your dinner's ready.
Will she have dinner waiting ready for you?
Yeah. This is the Rock Shop, Hard Rock Cafe.
Oh, the Hard Rock Cafe.
Yes, and Rock Shop. And the next one there is Hard Rock Hotel.
Oh, okay, radio. I need
Yeah.
to wind down my window to see that, Suzanne.
Yeah, no problem
So-
now. We do that, no problem. Yeah, here is the horse standby here mostly.
Oh, there's the horse there.
Yeah.
That's a different one.
My goodness. That's Age and Jack stayed there last time they were here. Said it was okay. So did they come without you? Yeah. So you went the first time with them? And they came back again last year. Who with? Just by their family. Did the boys go too? Yes. There's a Pizza Hut, yum.
Oh, Pizza Hut,
See you tomorrow. See.
Is that the Hard Rock up there? No, back there.
Mercure Hotel,
The Hard Rock was back there. What's this one?
Starbucks, Mercure, the Kuta Beach Heritage Hotel here right side.
Kuta Beach Heritage.
You could duck down to Kuta Street.
They're building it.
Sunset, beautiful. Look
Look
at
at the
that.
sunset. Isn't it
That's
lovely?
it. That's nice. See, there's
Wow.
there's only umbrellas. There's no
Yeah,
shops.
there's no shops
Sunset
there.
at Kuta Beach, beautiful.
That's nice, isn't it, Joe?
Yes, that's what I did. I didn't mind staying in Kuta. Kuta gets a bad rap, but I don't mind it. Shane and I both don't mind it. Because then there's nothing like it, is there?
Poppy's Line 1 here.
Oh, that's Poppy's Lane there?
Yes, Poppy's Line 1.
Stephen, that's Shrine Poppy's Lane too.
Yeah. Poppy's Line 2 is in front there.
It's like they've done a bit more work here. It's nice.
Yeah, it's no huts in there too. So all these people here, they might be trying to beautify Kuta.
Yeah.
This was nice.
Oh, once you see those big signs up there, they'll be there.
Lovely sunset.
Oh, beautiful.
Red sunset.
Last time, no, we don't have this wall. Last time.
Oh, okay. You didn't
Yeah.
have the wall, yeah.
Yeah, but because of the abrasion and erosion, so we built this wall. Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Look at this thing.
Just have to try and just. Yeah, there's a Sheraton. The Sheraton, is that nice?
Yeah. Sheraton Bali Kuta Resort is up there.
It doesn't
On the
look,
top?
It doesn't look very.
Look up on the top there. Look up on the top there.
I love all these things here. What are they called again? These little
Penjor.
things. It's so beautiful. So by the end of the month, they'll all be gone. Yeah. I don't mind Kuta. Kuta beachfront.
in very near place to everywhere, yeah, like shopping mall,
Yeah,
Gabis, shopping.
They've fixed Peter up a bit, haven't they?
Yeah, new footpaths.
Nice footpath.
Yeah, footpath.
Yeah, footpath.
It's really nice to get to come from it.
Yeah, I know.
No?
I said, we've got a problem. It's wrong here. I've always said that. Sheds on there. At the top of the Saigon Bar. Right at the top. Top of the Saigon Bar, Stephen, up there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is it on here? Is that the bar? Is that the bar?
It's all, it's all one more.
Yeah, this is the Beach Walk shopping mall one. Yeah.
Oh, I like this.
They've done this whole strip up.
It's too western, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beach Walk, it's nice, isn't it? Very well placed, isn't it? Not everyone's allowed to drive down here, or?
To drive this area? Yeah, everyone can. No problem.
That's a bit next the next one.
Okay. This one, this is the.
Visiting the footpath.
No, I like doing this. Cute little shops here.
Yeah.
Oh, the sun gone already.
Yep.
Doesn't take long, does it?
Yes, couple minutes only. That's side for skateboard.
Yeah.
Left side, yeah.
Oh yeah, yep. Skate park.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Does your son ride a skateboard?
Sorry?
Does your son ride a skateboard?
No,
Karate.
no, karate.
Karate. What about soccer? Footy?
Soccer, yes, he love it.
This is so beautiful here, isn't it? So this is Kuta still?
Right, yes. Just your hotel is just in front there,
Yeah.
not far from you.
I like Kuta.
You need to explore this area actually.
Yeah. What's this one?
It's Kuta Beach Street.
Kuta Beach Street.
Yeah. So it's from your hotel you can turn right, not turn left. Yeah, turn right by walking bus because that for cars or for car or scooter is for one way only.
Just doing some random parking for no reason. They laid it on.
There's your Alam Cool. There's your hotel.
Alam Kulkul
Oh, the Alan
also
Cool.
hotel. Yeah,
It's a nice one.
yeah, nice too. Yeah,
Yeah.
some a couple time my customer also stay here.
Oh, do they?
They happy. Yeah,
Yeah. You know what I don't see a lot here? Homeless people.
yeah, not many here.
No.
No, not many because we as long as we want to not lazy,
Yeah.
we can get job. But the problem is the salary not much. That's all. Yeah.
Yeah. The one.
For job we have job vacancy here in Bali itself. I mean.
But you still have pride in whatever job you
Yeah.
do.
Look at the Bullmans then on the front here. So it's, watch the Bullman front, yeah. So we were going to stay here, Anton. No.
The Pullman?
Yeah, we were going to stay there, but we changed our mind.
What's happened?
We changed our mind and went to the Legia Beach Hotel.
Oh, yeah, same. It's opposite this hotel is your hotel. Yeah? So it's same location.
There's a ladder, Stephen.
It keeps following us. It's trying to sell me a ladder.
I wonder if I'm doing this.
What's
Do
that?
you think it was 7?
7.
Was it?
Well, it starts. You don't have to be there at 7. It just
Are you
starts.
definite sure she said 7?
I just looked on the web and it
Oh,
said
okay.
7. But it starts from 7, so you're not missing out on anything.
I think we get there at 7, do you?
Oh, you're drinking, whatever.
Yeah, I'm on 7.
What's another 50 minutes? That's heaps of time to get ready.
Ready? I need to open the window for a while. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So when we entering here,
Yeah.
this morning,
Yeah.
myself they will ask me to drive slowly
Yeah.
and no beep beep, no beep, no horn.